Fred, narrated by David Lucroy. There once was a little bunny that was named Fred. Fred was a very kind-hearted bunny and loved all the other animals in the forest. But even though he loved them all, there were still some that he was very scared of. He was especially scared of the bears. The bears were supposed to be the meanest, fiercest creatures in the whole forest. They were always roaring at Fred, and he knew that he didn't want to mess with them. But one day, Fred was drinking out of the creek when a bear came up behind him. Fred was startled and let out a little yelp. The bear quickly told Fred not to be scared. Fred said, "Well, why not? You guys always run around roaring and scaring all of us. Oh, please don't eat me, Mr. Bear." The bear laughed and said, "I'm not a big fan of rabbit anyway. I prefer berries and roots." Fred looked at him with a puzzled look. "So you guys don't like eating meat? I thought you would eat me for sure." The bear laughed again and said, "Well, I won't. My name is Chubbs. What's yours?" Fred told him. They spent the next few hours talking and laughing about what Fred had always thought about bears. I guess it turns out that not everyone is as bad as they might seem. Fred promised to never be afraid of bears again because now he knew that they weren't fans of Rabbit.